Greetings from Wekiwa Springs State Park. We are here this weekend for the long Christmas weekend, and we plan on celebrating Christmas with anybody who comes near our campsite, really. In this video, what you'll see is a complete tour of the campground. Slowly. I know that there is one other video that drives by all the campsites. I found it fast, and I couldn't really keep up and get a good look at all the campsites. So we're gonna take the bicycle and do a slow tour of both loops so you can make an educated decision on what campsite is best for you. We'll also go down to the springs and we'll videotape what videotape. We'll film. We'll take a look at what the springs look like. The biggest thing that you can do flavor-wise is give us a thumbs up. If you found the content valuable, or you find the content valuable, that's the best way to help our channel. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber and you like these videos and you stick around, we appreciate you so much. And so, with that, I will put markers in a description below so you can just fast forward to the loop or the site that you want. That'll make your life a little bit easier. And that will be the tour of the campground. So with that, we're going to start our camping trip, and we will see you soon. Here we are, camping on Christmas Day. We just want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, and if we don't speak to you, a very Happy New Year. So this is past the springs, and this is the road that leads to the campground loops. And then as you come up here, you make a left into the camping area. So we're going to look at sites 31 through 58. I actually think there's a site 60, but this is the first loop of 2 loops for the campgrounds. And as you come in, there's additional parking here. So let's go. I'm on the bicycle, so it's a little wobbly, bear with me. This is the entrance, it's one way. (31 to 60). 31. Morning. 32. 33. 34, right here. 35 is this one here. 36, right here. 38 on my left. 37. 39. Tent. 40. 41. Back here. 42. 43 right here. 44. 45 right here. 46 with the Sprinter. 47. 48. 49. This is site 50. This is the camp post on my right here. Site 51, camp post. Site 52, over here. 53. 54 coming up, that's ours. 55 right here with the E-Pro, GeoPro. 56. 57 with the funky tents. 58. 59. There's the bathhouse. And this one here is site 60. And you'll see this is where we started, right at the fork. And just to show you the sign of some of the wildlife residents you may see at the park. I haven't seen any black bears, ever. So I'm gonna bike over, got my little map here, I'm gonna bike over to the other one. Okay, so this will be the first of the two loops, right where the trash bins are. This is campsites 1 through 30. You have your trash bins there. They do have bags for dogs. And again, the loop is one way, so we have to go right. This is site 1. Site 2. Right there. Site 3 with the tents. Site 4. Site 5. I don't see a sign, but I'm going to assume this is 6. Yeah, this is 6. This is 7. Site 8. Site 9. Here. Morning. That's a beautiful dog. Site 10. Site 11. Site number 12 is empty. Site 13. Good morning. Site 14. I'm assuming this is site 15. I don't see the sign. 16, 17, 18. Good morning. Site 19. Very narrow. Site 20. Also narrow. And 21. 22. Site 23. Site 24. Site 25. Site 26. Site 27. Site 28. Right here. Site 29. And Site 30. And that is the entire loop. There's the bathhouse. And this is the exit out where we started. Springs are generally 72 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. It's a little cold here. Wekiwa Springs. And we'll take a walk around. So just walking around the spring here. Multiple entrances. That's where I didn't take the bike, thankfully. No diving, no jumping. And you got your steps right here. And a little information on the springs itself. Let you guys freeze that. And you even have a handicapped seat. How you guys doing? So if you're wondering, why aren't we getting in the springs? Well, as Floridians, we have access to many, many springs all the time. And when you start to live here, your blood thins out, and 72 degree water is cold for a Floridian, especially without a wetsuit. And as scuba divers, it's very cold. So without a wetsuit, I'm not getting in the water. But from the bridge, that's a nice picture. I'm going to stop and take a quick picture. And then there's the other side. So you got that side, and then over there you can see folks kayaking. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Probably should have brought the kayak in hindsight. And here's the other side. here's your spring rules. That's our neighbor. She gave me the, it's not bad. It's because they're from Maryland. So that water is like a bathtub for northerners. All right, back up the stairs.
Yeah, that was cute. Do you mind? So the Little House of Beans spent 3 nights at Wekiwa State Park, and we spent Christmas here, met some new friends. We hope you found this video informational and valuable, and please do hit that notification bell, and please click that like button and subscribe to the Little House of Beans. It does mean a lot to our little channel. Help us grow.
And with that, we have how long to get home? I hate traveling on I-4 is the way to go home on a holiday Sunday. 2 hours and 10 minutes, 129 miles. We're gonna go to the dump station and empty our bladders. And we will see you on the next one.
Yeah, and if you enjoyed seeing me in my 80s outfit, my sweatsuit outfit at my fountain here, please comment below.
Or hit the like button.
Thanks for watching, guys.
See you on the next one. Do you want to do the hand cover?